Hi everyone! In this video I'm going to be using this feather to create my turkey, and it was given to me many years ago from a friend from the Netherlands named Charlotte Visser. So Charlotte, if you're watching, hello! It's a beautiful feather and I trimmed it down, and now I'm going to apply it with some builder gel. This is a thin viscosity, and I just apply that onto the nail and leave it wet, and I put the feather in it. And now I'm going to wrap this bag around the nail and cure it in the lamp. It's easy to cure it if you put your lamp upside down and take the bottom off. And now I'm just going to trim off that little piece of feather and anything hanging over on the sides. And now I'm just going to encapsulate that in even more so that all the feathers will lay down. As you can see, I try to stroke it forward, and then I see the feathers are moving, so I need to backstroke it just to get the feathers to lay down straight and flat. And now I'm using some gel polishes by Madame Glam to create the turkey head. And I'm making it blue because if you haven't noticed, turkey heads are actually blue and white and pink, and they fluctuate in color depending on the mood of the turkey. Bet you didn't know that. And now I'm painting the beak, and I'm going to have to go over that a few times so that the color will darken up. And here you can see me going over it one more time, and it is darkening up, becoming a brighter orange. And parts of the turkey's face is white, so I'm adding a little bit of white around here where the eye is. And just outlining. And now I'm starting with his little gobbler. And adding just some lines and detail on his head and his little eye. I painted a body down below, and now I'm using some black gel polish and coming in, painting some stripes to make that look like feathers. And now I'm just encapsulating the nail and being sure that I build some structure. In the center there is a little dip, so I will be filling that in. You can see it. You can see it right there, I think. There it is. Right there is about where that dip is, and I'm just running that bead of gel along there so that I can fill in that little dip. And once I get the correct structure that I'm happy with, I will go ahead and cure that, clean it, and file it. We are now at the best part of the video, and that is top coating. And when you top coat, it just seems like everything comes to life. I really like how my Tom turkey turned out. I think he's cute. I hope you all had a wonderful Thanksgiving, and that you are very thankful for the many blessings that you have, because I know I have a lot to be thankful for as well. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!